Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-S20. We'll dive into the features and performance of these cameras to help you decide which one is a better fit for your needs. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Fujifilm X-S20 comes in at a slightly higher price of $1,299. Both cameras offer exceptional value for the features they provide. In terms of autofocus, both cameras shine. The Canon EOS M200 boasts fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection, ensuring your subjects are in sharp focus. The Fujifilm X-S20 takes it a step further with its auto-subject detection AF, allowing hassle-free creativity. When it comes to image quality, both the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-S20 deliver stunning results. The Canon EOS M200 features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, producing high-resolution images. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-S20's 26.1 megapixel sensor, combined with Fujifilm's acclaimed color science, ensures vibrant and true-to-life colors straight out of the camera. Both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie, allowing you to capture stunning footage. The Fujifilm X-S20 takes it a step further by offering internal recording of up to 6.2K 30p video in 4:2 to 10-bit color. It also features a dedicated vlog mode, making it easy to create professional quality content. Both the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-S20 are designed with user comfort in mind. The Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, providing convenience in handling. The Fujifilm X-S20 features a deep hand grip for a confident hold, and its vari-angle LCD touchscreen allows for easy framing and creative angles. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-S20 in various categories. Both cameras offer unique features and exceptional performance. Ultimately, the choice between these two cameras will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.